Fine, fine.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to see
Sorry,
you.
but I said I have to be. Oh, welcome, welcome.
Thank you. Okay.
What do we say, Apire or what? You know, now I'm the daughter of the soil.
Yeah. You're right. Currently, you don't have enough sugar cane.
The problem is the raw material.
The raw material.
It's not the problem. Is not the factory. So the factory, the day we get enough sugarcane that is sustainable, we will restart operations.
What you saw here, the stage at which the project was in, up to the present stage, you saw a lot of different activities. When Dr. Amina first came here, she never had the vision that the place or the investment would reach to this level. She saw the vision that has been transformed into the picture we saw now from darkness. Not many people can see through darkness, because darkness, normally people are afraid of darkness. She fought a lot of wars because this project is not a simple project. It's a multi-million-dollar project. Sabina is one of the first black Africans to have the sugar industry. You go to Kenya, there are Indians. You go to Tanzania, there are Indians. You go where, there are Indians. But she's a pioneer. Came here at a time when Northern Uganda was not welcome, because everywhere you go in the country, they say people in Northern Uganda are very hostile to investors. So she came at a very difficult time when all other investors didn't want to come to Northern Uganda. But she dared.
Today, I'm one of the person who is very, very happy. And God knows what I'm saying is true. But I always say, God, make your people, whether they are Muslims, whether they are Christian or any other, to be good. Because you see, in life we can only do things when people are also happy with you. So that is one of the biggest things which I pray every day, because I am a human being. And I say, please, in our Islam, we say, risk and make the people be, they are happy with you, so that at least you are able, wherever you get, you do things, God is also blessing you. I just say, thank you. God has made this day to be very, very great day. That I have all the people I always pray that they should be. Always God should bless them so that we are able to move together. I really, really thank Rwot Apire for willing to accept our invitation to come this day in a not a small way, in a big way. I still again take this opportunity first to thank my brother Norbert Mao is the one who insisted me to come here. But what he always says, Rwot Apire is an uncle to me. And also the family of Omaya is my other half. All the people used to tell me I'm all related to the both. So this place we are all together, don't worry, Amina. That's what he used to say, hii tuko pamoja. These are all my family, don't worry. So I'm happy for this day. You see, actually, the truth today has come today. But this should be the beginning. Because for me, in fact, everybody asks me, how did you go to that place where there was no road? How did this give people and convince you to do? But I want to tell you, in my life, now I'm about 60 something. If anything which I have ever, God has made me happy, it's been in Atiak. Okay, I want to say why people think what is made me come here. You know, I had done so many businesses from when I was young, and mine history is there from when I was 9 years. But I never thought I would be an industrialist. Because to be industrialist, especially even the sugar, you need to have land to grow cane. And somehow with God's grace, I grew up in a cane growing area. And from that time, I'm saying 9 years, is when now government of Kenya decided to now to transform the rural areas. So I was also part of the people who are beneficiary of those factories, because they say They also want to empower people who are near there. So that is how I was part of the supplying of the things and that in the factory. So when this opportunity came, I had already built my apartments and decided that I am retiring. I'll just be collecting money so that I can be in America to do that's what I was thinking. But now when this opportunity came, I said, wow, God is giving me another life where I am going to be a manufacturer. But you see, when I was thinking of those things, it was like a dream. Somebody who is the problem and the issues I went through here, it needed somebody who is a risk taker and doesn't know what tomorrow is going to be. For me, I was only thinking if I put the factory, my problem is sorted out. But I didn't know sugar is manufactured in the fields. Because now, if you don't have the raw material, this is why now the factory is looking at us, but you cannot produce. That factory you look at is that we were able to crush 1650 tons of cane. But continuous it is supposed to be. You don't stop, 24/7. We had 3 shifts. But, and again produce 6 megawatt power. It is already there. But all that stopped because of no raw material. Before, because it took me so long to start that factory, about 6 years. But I used to think, I want only one crystal. Because now I see that I am really a producer. I have now done value addition from the cane planted in Atiak to sugar. So when we even now produced, and I was shocked even when we produced, I had only one person because we were not able to supply other people. It was Cognac. And Cognac told me, Madam, don't allow anybody to take and sell to the north. Why? Your sugar. Everywhere we went, people are saying they want Atiak sugar. They don't want another sugar. So he was selling many types. But he told me this side of the northern, when it goes to Kitgum, where they are only asking Atiak, and according to them, what they are saying, it is too sweet. So they are saying if you put in a cup, for Atiak it will be only half spoon of sugar. So I realized, I think God has put me in the right place. Because we are most of our marketeer. And when I said the people you are targeting to buy your goods, I knew it's not really that it is very sugar. But I said, I think these people, in their mindset, they are saying we have been drinking for other people. Now we have to promote our own. So I just realized God has put me in the right place. Huh? Right place, because now if you have you produce and people can take all your things, what else? Because you are here and from Atiak. I even told you this in the vehicle, that on Sundays when we have already paid all our workers, they used to storm Atiak Center, Elegu. So they people spend their money. So the shops, when I came here, there were few. But you could see within time they expanded because of the factory. I want to add is that the women who used to go to Elegu, they go and make their hair, who are working for me. One time, some of my girls here said, Madam, the ladies who are making our hair in the salon there, they have said, tell Madam to come here. And we make for her any hair she wants for free. Even if she wants which type of wig, we are ready to give her. Because every weekend, we have the people who are cutting the men who are cutting their shaving, cutting hair. So we are getting free business. Huh? So you can see, this kind of thing is like a river moving and everybody is getting. Why I'm saying I also like this place. From 6:30 me, I'm on the field. I come for tea at about 11 p.m. I am not on phone because all this mechanization, the irrigation, things which are coming are new. So me, I said, I went to school, just I did basic. I only did up to Form 4 what my parents could allow me. But now, I have the attitude of learning free things. It has come for free. So now, if you see me, everybody knows, 24/7 I'm jumping on each tractor to want to know how much time you have worked, and I'm taking photos and all that. So, you know, when things come to your homestead, that is when now you start learning for free. So the people who are discouraging me, I want to finish. That, Madam, what did you see by thinking you can just go and open the wildernesses to transform? I want to tell everybody, first of all, I'm still again thanking you and telling you the transformation which is here, and I thank His Excellency the President. I thank the government of Uganda to trust me and our team, to trust also my brother Mao and also my family, plus Rwot and everybody, that we are able to do. So yes, we can. And I look at the food basket of Africa. It will start from here. The way people are thinking that this is Atiak massacre, they will know now the food basket is coming from. So I don't have much to say more. I know I've taken more, but I thank all of you individually. In our society, Somali, we have our own problem. We normally have problem not because of tribe. The tribe is one. The other thing is that the language is one. The religion is one. Can you imagine? But now we start dividing ourselves into clans. Well, talk clan, and all that is because of politics. I think before we were staying very, very well. So what I'm just trying to say, in my bottom of my heart, each of you, as you go home, say, Mama Amina, she has said thank you. This is a blessing. And I know rain should rain today. Thank you.
Ana amete wanyang kongi. Rwot Apire pe welo kai. Bino me kalim. Yan kau no beri rom medini. Beri chalo ka Archbishop tika limo Arua tika limo Nebi. Kiluo mer ni welo. Eta ilokada pe twer beri welo. Ileb mono tigina kiluo ni jurisdiction. Yan lokani kaberi ma ini loyo. Ento pitini kongdong walu eni welo. Yan kari kababari ubini yotogoni. Makunti di kaleni. Puri rong wa eni welo tika biro. Bok noi por la ti dar mama en miero mio ne. Yan biro yotogoni. One weng wa beru kapenye. Ni won gang belemo Atiak Sugar wene. Eni petien ne ma chiel me biro. Ento chani pe wa kwano. Pieno bino karma ki yabo factory. Pieno president me Uganda tie. Ento eno ni wan pe wa kwano. Kari wa an bere awaji ni Rwot Apire food pier limo Atiak Sugar matwala. Tina ye wando warom kwano ne ni obino olimo. Eno we obino ne beno bino mapat. Wa an bene kari bedi wa rwenyu minister la wotwa. An bene tiwaya ni an bene bini bedi kim joma bino ka jolo Rwot mamegwa ki joma eno woro ka chel ko gi ilim matin mien. Pire tek menyang ni don lobo peyot. Dano yoke, dano tele, logo ba beri tie ye. Eto yoke ma dano yoke ni mio dano yoke chala wali. Tutwale ka chala wana churi. Awali yoke eto petie. Pire tek ni obe kumeno. Pire tek bene ni mego machalo Mama Amina. Onge ni kaberu eni Atiak eni ngata loe tie ki joma en tiu ka chel kwegi. Eno weko wa inyom wa an madong waka na chok chere piera bicheli. Kura nyom ela cheng chani. Ka mero nyom. Miera chera yin du diruma mega wa kikin ping. Ategi. Pien jo chama wan wa penyu pinyage ni. Mier ku nge ni Lwiramono tili ni. Weko peki chai wa. pire tek ni jemiero time kumeno. Primero, bino matin miero ubed mela nyut ni yat luera ye pire tek loyo. Pore gire rom nen lo ba beju ature ne ben no nen lengo ko mere mo karo. Ento luera ni e pire tek loyo. Tamoni mandong tin beru kwena bot mego amina ni luera choli luera tiak ene do nen kamaleng. Primero miero jin twinya alego ni chake tin miero gen moti metin ni o yab yo wektam mabejo chak a ki bot ot ke meneno ni dero matikanyi po minya tiak keken o minya chori o wen po be beri yot bien kum beri ki kid wit me lwenyi chao kene one wing bale ni watie chao kene wa chao lok palu dirwao bien ilwenyi eni o wego walutino matino budo wigiga chi pire tek ni miero wa yabu unu chura manyen ni chake tin po be beri yot o be beri tek bien chuny me piem cha mo kene tie ana beru I program ni chake ya chake ne ento guma bene Rwot Apire beru nera matin ka ngari mo mana ya winyu ka woro leba come chi wi chi male pa tuero kai wakache tuora tung ki loke iya kari tuero iya enu ni kiluoni woro pire tek bien kari wa babani no mu tuero yi eno pe waji ni tinda be chera mar ko ke nye da be duga be waju de wiye ki come do Rwot anamira waj kamale ni ti jemi mogo ma po wor mabe ti leb mogo ma gwenye ma leb pe po a ki boraba eta ngi jo ma polo be kalo tini obenia me la ko twin an me kakara ma chalo Norbert Mao ana miro kwa kija bien gang chung ki wor abo wor gang pe beru tie pere tek ni gin mau chake tini o yap chura manem manyen lokame giki era ni don logo tiki kare very way don palatien chao kene latien no food mar chako mene o chao mar nyoga chao chamo tong bueno gi la de pori dong tika kai riu be meno ene don lo bene beru ko meno donc pire tek ni Rwot ma megwa ka cher ki joma ini wor ko ki genu ngi don lo mer tek twi bene tele ki da pe rach tek e tika tiu tika lo da gena pire tek ene roro bomi ki gopa wa an wani mega mena ini wa chao ki da wi poni anarie ma o ki gudi ono mero gero kamone opposite sinabe ana wati ni kenyu wetland an pa be ye gero yer ko ngeno no warga ma ati bod ne ma ko ngo wada ma tek awaya pa mi guru en la chen makat mo romo me no dar ma tiki kero me yu pa ko man adoro iba ka mo la cher bore awai mego ange mer ni watele kar mo kar nge eto dina biro ki lok mo kere e ye ka wati ko pire tek men yang da pe gina right mona ye right gina right ene mone ki da o matek ki tiek da ne o ki chen stage manien chi pire tek men yang ni kai ti ki tatibu war pire tek luen dan rom luenyo an rom tele ento premier gang dan lok mier ki mede ki lok ilebol me dawen ka wati ki lok apa eto tamwa rwate kum lok abiro warom kero lok det ba pe tamwa rwate yeni kong ite kong wateno ko ri kum lok abiro enon nge jo mukene indin wi lieti ko yor eto kum wagum ni Rwot ma megwa en lo ba mi ne injin ma pelieti ko eto kero ne no tie Pechalo pa wan jomo kene ni. Pira tek ni kiriam chan. Riamo chan ene pira tek. Lobo Acholi dit lobo Belgium. Roma ki lobo Rwanda o lobo man en lobo Pakagame. Men fu Acholi ke ken. Ento pe wa lobo unu gum o dok kichiran. Ngomi ni kima chalo gum botwa. Ero twero doko bene kichiran ka wa beru cha. Chi pira tek ni wan bene kita wa tero kwede tena. Kita wa tiu kwede. Nyero wek lonyo ma wati kwede ya Acholi ni. Ben machalo gum botwa.
Tiki yom chwiny wan duju mebedo kaka chel tin machalo luteno pajo wano biro ka chel ki Rwot Atiak meneno gien ma wan no waneno ni don lobo matie dikal mamegwa tien lok mo wek wa biro wachi ni wan ko bin manen don lobo ni eni mono tie ni ning gudu dano wa ni ning kela loka kom jo wa ni ning mio won tino neno wano oni ma wano biro ni ono tamwa pat ma wano woro kumbedi ni ken penge wano bene ngeki kany ma weko tamwa dok tie bene pat yeni ken jemi mukene no watamu ni ite yopi eni ni fu matielo nget project eni putie pien neno wano tie ni chan ma wano wajo ni miero ao ki kom dano chan ma kitika kokone ni bedu tie kom dano wani ning ka gien ma diet ko manti dikal marie tie kom lu fu ma itene so bien wano ni lu fu ni dong aloka bedu tie kitika yenyo yo mukene ma wek gen gu nong bedu ki kom gien ma ti dikal dong gen amero ni wonunge ene ni wot wani uchui kom lok me don lobo ke ken peti gien mo ma pat lok me wo mo tia kaka mo pero peti kom wot wani wano mero ni gini eni ni ma wan wen wa waju ni be ni ubed be ki rwede bed be bene kilu tua ki wot chera nyim ma be chi kit ma wano winyu kede nen chalo jami romo beru ma be ka ki poro lok kit ma justice minister wani don lobo kit eni ni pe wa chako neno ne lobo wakantien ka beru mukene tie umiero wa penyo wi wani kakanyo kene makiet gini eni ti yeni gino chamo ni ning yen mandong tie bie ma wando gerdo gin chamo ni ning we ukony lo kelu ne ukony jo ma gumiyo kaka beru ukony lwak ma gini yoni ti ye ukony bene lobo ki chamo ni ning ena ye miero bet da peny ma wana Acholi miero penya ye yen kai neno chamo biro nyim dano che kama cham ti ye ke balo ke lwen che keje he beru tie chana he beru tie che mier wa bet dog lok wa bera che chalo wana Acholi pa tia ke kemba bien ka kan be wa niang ni no nywalo ka beru moni loka I la mo ka chano ke lwone ayu alale fudromo ko ni ning ki kom gini eni mon entie ken lok me bet dog lok wek cham matie chame mabe ogwok dano ogwok wan lo kaka wot wa eni ni miero onyor la nen ni ke iye jami mabejo mano pe watiu kar mo kara ngeju chak time mano wa woro wa chera nyim
ani ya yom pilwo nambe wudwo wa wek wan ko tin kan gino wek wan ko kan ke to mera wor wa ke no tiki dok mo wini ke wa ko mo pol wa tam ne tin wan ko win be ke yitwa pe dok ma ki kuba pe kupe mo kana o mabe ai ken je mo kana mo ber ka wini ne do wa ko tam mo da ka ene no ber ka wini ne ma chalo community makan go ber ke pe ko mo ari ade ma che ene ye gino ber wini no ke wa ne community mo kana ge wa ne atia ko biro sugo no biro peti ka konyo gi maber jo ken wa ni kidio ma no ki compensating gen kidong mo ken ne mo ber wini cha ken ka tiang wango ko wa yang mo wa tiang wang chi mo ti ken mo ken mo ber ka ne ma cha wan Rwodi ti jwa men ne ki ku tie ye no mier ne ku be tie peace building ne wa ma pia te ene no bien kan no rombi gi po ki ku ne tie no be gon peti ma be karna no mi ma dia Honorable Mao ber wa ni cha ken da biru tie chi mier ke da people should disagree to agree chi morgen wa wan biru kan ne ribu chi wa ka chi
wako ne be beru ki community be beru ki lotela kido me ne ki wot ki ni o wot be maber mario kir concern mo ken ma ne ma kunne atamo mego ki luti be giramo mi watam ye ka ber mulu mu api ate aneno kan ke ber wach ne ngom ti madit ma ke yabo geno yen be ke kwany mapul plan ango ma wotie kede to twal men ne dok me gwa ka ber mulu mu ne pe yen ki ye mo kan na ke wany mu kan par ne ni di ate so the social aspect and environmental aspect ina ne ti gina pe ate
tiki lo tie ke ma mer wacho ne ana ye lo ku ta ga me patiro mero para mer ko che botu te gin te ngom ma mi me ke lo don lo da mer ko la dit minister ne na ya be la ku ku ki la me go docteur mina me tin don lo me ke dan bi no kan ki be lo ma pol be ti ye ana mer ke pa wana chu ri do ngam tam ni pagao don lo ke dan ti na ke wa di ma ti ka ti ma kan di ma pol ma bejo mangen ya nim we ber ma kire wa ya no school di ma pol kan so no kire wa don lo bo ma ti wa we ber ka no ti mo ma ti kan ma pol da da ti der ma kit ma twin ma no mi yo yo wa tin da lo ti kan ni ma na ti ma kit ma wa na ti ni lo ber ke so di ma kire na ka bien chalo cái mà mèo mà cái mà là chalo minister Mao oh we know mo ba ma ko no kira cái ta chalo ka bo cái ko bi no pe lo ba ne money ti ka kai ti wa wa no na no ma mo ram tin ke ma jo ka ti ru tin
There have been turbulences around, but today I come with a different version that we look at the project in a different way to promote development in Atiak, development in Acholi, and development in Uganda. I know this project will definitely come with corporate social responsibility, and I think you need to look at that. And that covers schools, hospital, accommodation for staff, and everything that can change and bring development. I know the employment will be more of the local people, but I think it is important to look at the entire Acholi and recruit from there. There are various highly professional people in Acholi who can come and work here. The other area is, of course, the minister stated that we should look at project as a development. And we haven't come to fight anybody, we haven't come to harass anybody, we have come to work with you. So I brought these chiefs to ensure that what I say, they will ensure and report it correctly. This is one major project. Madira Zeda, Mamiro, Waneni, Uwor Mabe. I'm going to kill a project, but no Mirateo Kiri minister. But project, you know, was a German project. Mamir Gipit, co and co, you are carbon dioxide. Yeah. But you know, and look, Mogata Town, Activa title Mengom, the ministry could but we then revising. But Meno Perai, then Anona Kel New Peri at Yari, and the warrior Chulimukene, and no Nika Berutie, a pair of Puno. Have you love a twingy? You have Kelukai, a figure love a twingy, a Birmukene materially. Yen down the way here, any project made 70 million euros. But Choy down Alibachiel, give you art, give you school, and a town near Teo Kiri Kujan. It got Oliva, when I got came at Yak. And the food was a year one more, and nearly 2 days. Okay. Down pay one a kitty. One Omiro don Atiak, Omiro don Acholi, and Gina Rwodi can. But when kita minister was in Legatie in December, ni Anabino. Mama Mina, the olive branch has been given to you. I will always come here, uninvited or invited, I will always come. So you take it from us and from all the chiefs. We have come, we will work with you to ensure that issues that are pending is sorted out. These are very minor issues. I think we have seen the level of mechanization is alarming. I have been to Kakira, I've been to Lugazi. I have never seen this level of mechanization. We thank you for bringing those mechanizations. It means now the land can be opened to the maximum level. And the sugarcane, I think you need to also balance it. Because if you see what has happened in Busoga, sugarcane, everybody was growing sugarcane and it became a problem. And that element of growing sugar only has created poverty. So I think you need to balance it with other crops to ensure that the local people are able to help you invest in other crops that are fast growing and have a short-term duration, and that will bring money to the local people.